must be able to compare the text structure and the language features of two types of simple procedure text. Okay, let's start by the definition. So, what is procedure text? A procedure text is a type of text that provides instructions or steps to follow in order to accomplish a specific task. Its main purpose is to guide the reader through a process or activity in a clear and organized manner. Next, social functions. Jadi di teks prosedur itu terbagi menjadi dua macam. Yang pertama itu adalah recipe. It provides instructions on how to make food or drink, including a list of ingredients and steps to follow. Itu yang pertama. And the second one, there is manual. So it gives instructions on how to use, operate, or assemble a product, such as a device or furniture. And then I'd like to ask you, can you give one example of recipe and manual? And I will choose you, yeah? Okay, I will choose Nandita. Nandita, can you give one example of recipe? How to make what, for example?
How to make mango juice.
Okay, you are very smart. Just give a plus to Nandita. Because you answer my question, I'll give you this.
Thank you.
Okay, you are very smart. And then for the manual, I will choose Maureen. Can you give me one example of manual procedure? Contoh langkah membuat atau menggunakan sesuatu.
How do you use
Fan. Okay, you are very smart. Please give applause to Maureen. And then this is me because you answer my question. Okay. Next, the text structure. After we already know about the social functions, we have to know the text structure. The first one is goal. The second one is materials. Jadi di bagian materials ini, kalau untuk recipe biasanya pakai ingredients. Dan tools juga bisa, tapi biasanya lebih ke ingredients. And for the manual itu biasanya tools. Jarang yang menggunakan ingredients. Bahkan toolsnya ini nggak disebutin biasanya, langsung ke steps. And then the third one is steps. You have to remember this because later on we will practice about this kind of questions. Okay? Sekarang language features. Ada tiga macam di sini. The first one is command sentences, which we call as imperatives, like mix blah blah blah, turn on blah blah blah, and pour blah blah blah. Jadi ini memerintahkan sesuatu. Sedangkan yang kedua adalah sequence markers, atau kita biasa sebut transition signals, like first, then, after that, finally, secondly, next. And the third one, action verbs, seperti boil, cut, stir, plug. Jadi action verbs ini adalah kata kerja yang merupakan sebuah aksi, kita melakukan sesuatu. Jadi ini adalah language features used in procedure text. Okay, now I'd like you to read this. The first one, I want Rini. Read this, please.
from ingredients?
From the title.
How to make lemon tea. Ingredients: 1 tea bag, 1 lemon, 1 cup of hot water. Sugar is optional. And for the steps, first boil water and pour it into a cup. Second, place the tea bag in the cup and let it steep for a few minutes. Next, squeeze the lemon juice into the tea. Last, add if desired. Add sugar if desired. Stir and enjoy.
Okay, give applause to Rini. Your pronunciation is nice. Okay, and then for the second example, I want Shiva with this.
How to use the blender. Steps. First, place the blender on a flat surface speed setting and turn on the blender. Next, blend until the mixture reaches your desired consistency. Then turn on the blender and carefully pour the mixture into a glass or container.
Okay, let's give applause to Shiva. Her pronunciation is also good. Okay, now I'd like to ask you to identify this. Okay, let's start by the social function. Which one is recipe and which one is recipe and which one is manual?
Recipe is how to make lemon
Okay, and the manual?
how to use the blender.
Okay, you are very good. Give applause to all of you. Okay, after the social function, let's get into the structure. So, which one is the goal? You know?
Could you please repeat the question?
Where is the goal in this kind of examples? Di sini atau di sini?
The first one.
How to make lemon tea?
Yes.
Okay, and for this one?
How to use the blender.
Okay, you have a good thinking. Okay, you plus all of you. Okay, and the second one, the materials. Which one is the materials?
Materials is ingredients.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, and for this one, is there any ingredients or tools? No. Ya kan, as I said before, in manual nggak ada materials itu biasa. Okay, and the third one steps. Yang kita sudah tahu ada tulisannya di sini kan, steps first and this one two. Okay, after that, how about the language features? Yang mana imperatives-nya, perintahnya di bagian mana? Bagian steps, right?
Yeah.
Oke, jadi comments-nya ada di sini dan di sini. Nah, di dalam comments itu ada transition signals tadi, sequence-nya. Coba kalian identify di bagian mana yang ini? Okay, good. And for this one? Okay, please give applause to all of you. Okay, I forgot what else, ya? Oh, action verbs. Di mana action verbs di sini? Letaknya di bagian mana? Ya. Oke. Kalau yang di sini? Okay, what else? Yes. Okay, you are very smart. Please give applause to all of us. Okay, I think you already understand it. And then let's start playing games. Jadi di sini Miss sudah menyiapkan dua jenis language features. Yang pertama itu adalah sequence yang sudah kita pelajari tadi, dan yang kedua action verbs. Jadi di sini Miss mau kalian categorize yang mana yang action verbs, yang mana yang sequence. Jadi yang menang ya yang siapa paling cepat selesai gitu. Okay? Understand? Oh ya, I want to divide you into 3 groups. Bella and Haikal, Shiva and Rini, Maureen and Anita. Okay? Jangan mulai dulu ya kalau belum disuruh. Don't cheating. This is easy because you already learned this. Jangan mulai dulu ya. Mata bisnisnya ada banyak. Bisa. Oh my god, let's do this. Ya. Okay. Let's start categorizing. Start from now. Okay, you are very smart too. Let's give applause for you. Okay. Kalian semua ini pintar ya. Tapi yang susah selesai adalah pemenangnya. Jadi nanti tak Maureen get the candy. Wow, you are very smart today, guys. Okay, this is for you. This is for you. Good job, guys. Okay. Udah selesai main gamenya. And then group work. Jadi di sini Miss sudah siapkan. Oh ya, di change ya. Dia bertiga. Jadi akan ada two groups. The first group is here, the second group is here. Okay. Oke. Jadi di sini Miss mau kalian identify lagi seperti yang pertama tadi. Let me back here. Jadi Miss mau kalian identify yang mana goal-nya, yang mana steps-nya, yang mana materials-nya untuk structure. Lalu social functions-nya, yang mana recipe, yang mana manual. And for the last one, language features-nya, yang mana command sentences, sequence markers-nya yang mana, dan action verbs-nya yang mana. Okay, how many minutes you want, guys? 2 minutes?
or 3.
Okay, enough ya, 3 minutes ya. Okay. Please discuss to your friends ya. Kerjasama. Okay. And we will start from now. What sound? Any problems, guys?
Yes.
Bingung ya?
Yes.
Jadi di sini di social functions-nya kan ada 2 tadi.
Iya.
Mana? Nah, cari nih kalian yang mana yang recipe, yang mana yang manual di sini. Oh yes. Oh ganti. Same ya?
Iya.
Oh my god, sorry guys.
Yes.
Nah, ya udah. Kalian cari yang mana recipe, yang mana manual. Terus language features-nya cari nih comment sentence yang mana. Lalu sequence Oke, berarti jawabannya benar ya. Give applause to them. Jawabannya sama. Oke, berarti grup 2 juga betul. And then yang teks satunya coba baca. Grup 2.
How to use a fan?
Oke, is that manual or recipe?
Manual.
Oke, good. And then the text structure-nya goalnya mana?
How to use a fan?
Oke. And then next.
There is no ingredients. The have those. Those is a fan, electricity, only fan and electricity.
Okay. And then the steps.
For the steps, firstly, plug in the fan. Next, turn the switch to on. Then the fan will start to spin.
Okay, good. And then your answer correct. And group 1, apakah jawabannya sama?
Yes.
Oke, berarti semuanya benar ya. Give applause to all of us. Jadi di sini kalian sudah bisa kan identify dan difference yang mana recipe, yang mana manual, stepsnya apa, tahu kan? Okay, I'm very good for that. And then, okay, I'd like to give you information. Jadi procedure test ini bisa relate with many other subjects, not only English subjects. For example, how to make pencil case from a plastic bottle. The materials now we have one use plastic bottle, zipper, scissors, glue gun, ruler, and for the steps, wash and dry the plastic bottle. Second, measure and cut the bottle into 2 parts using a ruler and scissors. And the third one, the zipper to the edges of the 2 parts using the glue gun. And the fourth one, let the glue dry completely. And the fifth, open and close the zipper to check if it works well. And the sixth one, your pencil case is ready to use. Jadi ini biasanya suka ada di mata kuliah prakarya, right?
Yes.
Have you ever asked to do something in prakarya?
Yes.
Jadi kesimpulannya adalah procedure test ini bisa bermanfaat di mata pelajaran mana saja. Oke, I think we're done. Siapa yang mau conclude our material for today? If you do not raise your hand, then I will choose you. Okay, Shiva.
Okay, so today we learned about the group text. It's about step by step that we want to make something.
Okay, give applause to Shiva. Then, for another information, I want Haikal to identify. Di procedure itu ada 2 social functions, right? Ada apa saja?
It's manual
Hmm?
and recipe.
Okay, good. Give applause to Haikal. And then, after that, di language features-nya ada apa?
There is 3 language features. First one is the material commands and the material.
Metro is for the structure, Haikal.
Itu bukan
What? For that, jadi di situ ada comments, ada
consequence.
ya ada right time sequence, ada third one.
See you